Hi, I'm Tim Solomon with Social Economic Enterprises, and we help organizations clarify and communicate their message and values. Now, one question that we often get is how do I help, or how does our organization get found online? So we put together a free resource. It's a business optimization tool that basically has just a few things. One, it has a link to a CSV that you can download that has all these different services and allows you to input your business information so that you'll always have that accessible, and just encourage you to put that on Google Docs, or if you're using Microsoft 365, just keep that available so people know exactly what your business information is, so then when you go on Facebook or when you go into Google and input this information, then it'll be consistent. It's very important. So there are also links to these different services that makes it easy for you to find those services, and there are instructional videos embedded in there as well that can help walk you through on how to get the information that you want to these different places. So if you're interested in that and you're not at our website, then go to socialeconomics.us and click on the button that says the free business optimization guide. And if you are, then just put in your name and your email address and we'll send you a link. Thanks so much.